Hi guys, it's Gabriella. I am back with another video. This time I am doing a mukbang. For Chipotle, I bought a burrito and some queso chips. And I'm gonna open this and get started. The first bites. See that? So I have guacamole, brown rice, beans, and chicken, and cheese. Sorry if the air is really loud. Sorry about that. So good. It's like the best burrito. Chipotle is like always an awesome. You never can get like unsatisfied with Chipotle. They're so good. Air got my hair flying all over the place. So now I'm gonna try these queso dip, which was a bigger container. The queso looks really good. See that? Well, I don't know. It's really creamy. It's a nice dip though. I would probably rate this a 6. Reason being is because like it's not really spicy enough. Like I taste the cake, but I rather like have my mouth to burn. But yeah, this is again what it looks like in Chipotle. The chips are like amazing. I'll definitely get the chips again. A 10 on the chips. The burrito, a 10. 1 out of 10. That would be my rating. But how are you guys doing? I would like to know, what do you guys order from Chipotle when you guys go? Because I'm down to know what you guys like and also to review it in my future videos. Because I like tasting new things. I'm gonna taste the queso on this burrito, see how it tastes. Just to be a little different. Hope I don't spill it on myself. I'm very clumsy. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna close this top. And for the taste. It doesn't really match with the burrito. Yeah, next time I'm not gonna do that. Add it to it, but it was different to taste. Would you like some, Anna Marie? Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
What you think?
Fun.
I love the guacamole in it. I love guacamole. Not macaroni, guacamole. Another bite. You really like it? So good. It's just a perfect amount of burrito. Want to taste a chip?
Maybe it's good or something.
Maybe it's good or something. There you go.
Okay.
What are some cooking videos you guys want to see from me? I really enjoy cooking, so I need some ideas of what you would like to see. I do like to enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner when I cook, but mostly I like cooking dinner if I had to pick. But I'm gonna take one more bite and then let you guys go. So good. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe on the bottom, and leave a comment to what you guys like from Chipotle, because I want to taste some new things. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye bye.